Hey, welcome back to the Schmitty 750 YouTube channel. Today we're going to be using these lights to replace these little side pod lights. Let me get on the other side where you can see it a little better. It's just these little side pod lights, but these kinds seem to flood out too much, so you can't see to the left and right of the mule very well when you're on the trails. So these are the ones that we put on the Kubota MX6000, and they work really well. They don't flood as much, so hopefully they'll work a lot better running down the trails at night. You can see to the left and right into the woods, and so maybe they'll work better. And just to start off, this is the wire where it comes through the roof, and we'll follow it down and we'll cut all this wire loom off and disconnect these. And they have a little bit different style of mount, so this one's different than the one that's on there. So if we have to replace the mount, then we'll replace the mount. It's just this little bolt and nut right there, so it shouldn't be very hard to do. So we've gone ahead and disconnected all these wires. These are the power and ground for the LED, the little side light, and these will be power and ground for going to and from the light. So now we just have to unbolt it with this little bolt right here, little nut right there, and we'll get the light taken down and see how the new one mounts up. So this is how the old mount was. It's just got like a little bolt that goes in the bottom right there, and your little Allen bolts to adjust the light up or down. And this one is just slightly different, so we'll go ahead and get it put together. So this will adjust up and down like so, or you can flip it like this. So you have a little more range for up, but we're not going to be doing it that way. I'm just going to leave these loose for now, so we can adjust them once it's mounted on the roof. So just put the light on the mount. This is the little bolt coming through, and I'll just get my washer and lock washer put on there, but I got to put the camera down. And this will be the same way. I'll keep it loose for now and get this wire and run it down through this little hole. So that'll be it, just going through the hole right there. So now we've got everything wired up right here. I'm just got to put a little loom around it. And as a comparison, got it turned on. This is the old one, and that's it shining on my hand. Not too impressive. And this is the new one, and that's it shining on my hand. So definitely a lot brighter. So now I'm going to do the other side, and they should work pretty good. Get them angled just like I showed you earlier. The everything's all adjustable right there. Just kind of turn it to the angle that I want, and like left and right, and then up and down also, and tighten everything down. And we'll put a little bit of a sealant where that wire goes through the roof. So these are the final product. So the mount's just a little bit different, but no big deal. Everything fit in the same hole. And if you're interested in what kind of lights these are, it's called Nightlight. You can get them on Amazon. They're super cheap. They're the same ones that I put on the MX6000 on the tractor. And you can check that out on the other video, the install for that. It'll be here, maybe it's there. But anyway, that's the install of the Nightlight 4-inch light pods on the Mule. Thanks for watching. Bye.